Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Grasshopper service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly end your subscription. Step 1. Review your Grasshopper account details to understand your billing cycle, contract terms, and any cancellation policies that may apply. Step 2. Log into your Grasshopper account through the website using your administrator credentials to access account management features. Step 3. Navigate to account settings or billing section from the main dashboard menu. Step 4. Look for cancel service or downgrade account options. Grasshopper may require you to contact customer support directly for cancellation. Step 5. Contact Grasshopper customer support via phone or email to request service cancellation. Provide your account information and state your intention to cancel. Step 6. The support representative may ask for your reasons for canceling and could offer alternative solutions, discounts, or plan adjustments to address your concerns. Step 7. If proceeding with cancellation, confirm the effective date when service will end and clarify any final charges or prorated refunds. Step 8. Handle your business phone number appropriately. You can port your Grasshopper number to another provider if desired. Download any important voicemails, call logs, or messages before service ends. Verify your final invoice is accurate and cancel any automatic payment methods. Update your business communications with customers to reflect your new contact information if changing phone services. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.